I think I need to camp somewhere with a roof because it's gonna rain tonight and tomorrow is a heavy rain. So probably this petrol station could be a place. Let me go and see if there's a proper place to camp. I came to this petrol station. I usually avoid camping in petrol station because it's lots of noise and it's not fun. But tonight is quite of special. So and there is a place here. I have a roof, so it will be quite safe because of the rain. And yeah, here I think I just camp here in front of these machines, and yeah, let's get prepared and camp. It's raining hard today. I cannot cycle because it's cold and it's very cold and it's raining hard. I'm actually kind of out in my tent. It's gonna be raining for the next 3 days. Heavy rain, and it's a bit complicated my situation now. I think I pack and then I'm in the petrol station. Then I try to hitchhike to find a lift. Maybe if they take me like a couple of 100 kilometers, 300-400 kilometers, maybe I pass the rainy area, and afterward it should be maybe better, but I don't know. Even if it is not better, I can wait in the different places, and then I save my time, because if I stay here 3 days, it's not a good place to stay, because in the petrol station it's too noisy and too much noise and too much trucks coming, and but I'm not complaining. I have a roof, I'm dry, I'm not wet, everything, this kind of things, everything is just good. Yeah, but let's see what can I do now. First of all, should I have my coffee, and then after having my coffee, then I pack and take a shower. Here there's a nice shower here in the petrol station. I take a shower and then try to find a lift. My coffee is getting ready, I think. Getting ready. Let's have the coffee first. I turned off my stove. Let's go out and see where I have been last night. Okay. I can't hear. This is where I camped last night. And this is the weather now. There is a petrol station, and this is the weather. It's not the best weather. this is not the best weather, and this is not something that I really enjoy it. I really like it, but since I have no choice, then yeah, then let's go with that. Let's have my coffee, pack, take shower, and then find my chance. Last night, again I slept here in the same spot. I packed, I went out to the road. I was waiting for a car till evening, till 7 in the evening. But I was sitting in the cafe and for asking every car who was passing, I was asking them if they can take me some places. There was no chance. After full day, I came back to the same spot and I slept here. And I think there is 2 more raining days. Let's see, and I go. I just pack and go to the cafe, sit there and wait for my chance today. And hopefully, I don't know, hopefully I can find a lift today. I'm not gonna make coffee today in my tent. I don't want to open anything. I just go there quickly. Then I can have my coffee there. Yeah, let's start today. I finally found a lift for like the 60 kilometer, and it's good because at least I can there's some changes and I can change my situation. So with a beautiful car, with a beautiful red car. My bicycle is there and I'm going with this car, with this gentleman. Finally some changes. Muito obrigado. Yeah. Is finally everything is gonna be a bit better, hopefully, and getting out of here for after 2 days. And yeah, let's go. I got a room today, actually for tonight. I'm boiling some water. I really like those little rooms which has a ceramic floor, so I can use my stove to boil some water here. And this is a very tiny little room for tonight because this is, I couldn't find another car. I need to drive another 100 kilometers to a city called Orinas. After Orinas, I will start cycling, and rain tomorrow is not the last day tomorrow. A day after tomorrow, it still will be raining. But since on Thursday is the last day of rain, so I don't mind to get wet because I know that anywhere I get, even if I'm wet at night, I'll camp and then I can dry myself. So. But still tomorrow I cannot cycle because next day will be raining. Tomorrow I'm gonna catch another car to take me for 100 kilometers, and after that 100 kilometers then I can continue cycling toward Bolivia. So let's boil some water and make some hot drinks. And also this stove helps the room to get warm a bit. I couldn't find a lift. I came to the road. I'm waiting on the road. It's raining. It's cold. I don't think I can stand long here because I'm getting wet and it's very cold. if I don't find any lift, I go back to the same place that I stayed last night. I think it's better to go back before it gets totally wet, because it's difficult, very difficult, and it will be really hard to dry out afterward. It's the fifth day now. It's still raining, and this is the situation on the road. But rain is much less now. I think I can make it somehow. I think in 2 hours, in 3 hours, I will pack and go to the road, and this is something that I can handle it somehow. But I don't want to wait anymore. It's 5 days now, and I'm sick of waiting for 5 days. Let's go eat something and then organize myself. I arrived to this petrol station this evening. So I was looking for a place to camp. The guy told me that I can camp behind the petrol station because it was getting dark and couldn't get to the city or somewhere. I had nothing, no water, no food. I needed to eat something, and so the guy told me I can come here behind the petrol station and camp here. It's a very peaceful, and it doesn't have lots of noise here, and in Spanish they say it's tranquilo, it's muy tranquilo. So I came here, and this is my home for tonight. It was funny that I went to the petrol station, I ordered some food, and they gave me a receipt. So, and then I asked the guy, can you bring me 2 pieces of bread? The guy brought the bread, but they didn't write the bread in my receipt. So after I had my dinner, I went there to pay. Then I was looking for the guy and asked him. I called him and I told him, hey, you didn't put the bread in my receipt, so you have to add it, and I have to pay for the bread. Then the guy laughed and said, oh no, don't worry, you're not gonna pay anything. You just don't pay and go and enjoy your meal. It was lovely. It was so beautiful, you know, to see the kindness from the people, you know, to touch it. And it's not that much. It's just $2, but it's true that it's $2, only $2. But it's not only $2. It's a heart. It's a big heart behind it. It's a kindness. It's just taking care of each other. It's beautiful, and I loved it. I was super happy. I was just wow, you know. And hey, Mohammed, you know, people are kind to you. People are nice to you, which is wonderful, which is great, and I love it. Now I have my tent. I have my home for tonight, and my bicycle is in front of my tent. I don't have lock for my bicycle anymore. I just leave it like this. Okay, let's go and sleep and get ready for tomorrow. And this is view of my tent this morning, waiting for the sun to rise. Actually waiting for clouds to go away and to have some sunshine. It's pretty cold now.